in this question we have been given a triangular wedge, okay, and on this triangular wedge two masses are kept, both are 1 kg mass, and these triangular wedges have sides 3, 4 and 5 meter. So before we do this question, let me make it little smaller. This one I will just shift it, okay. So now let's assume that this is a vertex P, this is vertex Q, this is vertex R. Now what you can see from here is that this PQR triangle is 3, 4, 5 triangle. That means you can see PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So that means the angle Q is 90 degree, because this is following Pythagoras theorem. So angle Q must be 90 degree. So angle Q must be 90 degree. Okay. Now let's define these two angles. Let's say this angle is theta 1, that is angle P, and this angle is theta 2, the angle R. Now let's calculate sine theta 1 and sine theta 2. So sine theta 1 is equal to, sine theta 1 will be opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So this is 4 by 5. And sine theta 2 will be similarly opposite side, which is 3 and hypotenuse 5. So 3 by 5. So this is sine theta 1 and sine theta 2. From here you can observe that sine theta 1 is greater. Okay. Now let's draw the free body diagram of this mass, 1 kg mass, which is towards left. So I will again draw the surface of the wedge, so you can see like this. Okay, let's increase the angle. Okay, so this is about this angle, right? And this is angle theta 1. So if I replace this mass 1 kg by a point mass, it will look something like this. So let's indicate all the forces acting on it. So this will be normal force on mass, let's say N1 it is, okay. Downward force is mg. Now if I take this angle like this, you can see that this is a angle theta, okay. Why this is angle theta? Because if you see here that if I extend this triangle, okay, this angle will be 90 degree. So this angle, since it is a 90 degree, this angle will be 90 minus theta, and since this is a right angle that is 90 degree angle, this particular angle will be theta again, because the addition of these two must be 90. So this is theta. So here the component will be, so I will erase this. This is mg cos theta, and this is another component mg sin theta, and the tension force is there, of course. This is the tension force. Now if you similarly do for another block, you will find out the same thing, but it will be the mirror image of this, right? So here if I for another block I will draw this free body diagram. So there will be tension like this, there will be mg sin theta 2, this one will be, sorry, this is theta 1 by the way, I didn't mention it. Yes, so this is theta 2. So I think this is gone wrong, little bit straight must be, yes, like this, okay. And there will be normal N2, and there will be m2g cos theta 2, okay. So symmetric, you can see that, okay. Now here which particular block will be moving upward the plane? The one which is having mg sin theta 1 value lower, that will move up the plane. So when mg sin theta 1 will be lower, when the sin theta 1 is lower. So okay, sin theta is lower, okay, not theta 1, sin theta. So here sin theta 2 is lower than both. So this block will move this way and this block will move this way, okay. So I will write the equation for the rightward block. How will the equation look like? I will write from here. This is t minus mg sin theta 2, t minus mg sin theta 2 is equal to ma. This is the first equation. And from here I will write t minus mg sin theta 1 minus t. This is the second equation. Now what we have to do, we have to find out, plug in the values. We have to find the acceleration. The acceleration is same for both because they are connected by this string. So now if I do this, if I solve this, I will get mg sin theta 1 minus sin theta 2 is equal to 2 ma. Now what is a? So m and m can cancel. So a is equal to g by 2 sin theta 1 minus sin theta 2. So we know what is sin theta 1 and sin theta 2 from here, 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. So this will be g by 2 into 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So this is g by 2 into 1 by 5, that is g by 10 meter per second square. So the acceleration of the blocks is g by 10 meter per second square. Okay, so this block will go downwards and this block will go upwards like this.